Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing a Wellness Wednesday video. That's right, you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you very intimate details of my keto journey. I just thought I would update you guys on how things are going and where I'm planning to go from here. So if you're new to my channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Shakima. I'm going to apologize up front about the shaky camera because my tripod is broken. My tripod is broken and the little attachment piece that goes on top is broken. So I'm waiting for a replacement tripod to come in the mail and it should be here tomorrow. So anywho, here is what we're doing. Okay, you guys, so if you hear that noise in the background, it is the new oxygen machine, which has become a part of our lives here. But this was the best lighting I could find. So I wanted to share with you guys just a quick keto update. So May 1st, today is actually May 8th, I think. May the 1st, I decided to do a keto restart. And it wasn't because I was doing anything wrong on keto. I wasn't losing weight fast, but I just wanted to track my progress. I remember people saying, you're going to want to know like how many pounds you've lost. You want to know how many inches you've lost. And I'm like, oh, it doesn't really matter. But what I do realize now, 9 months in, that I do want to know. I can see pictures and look and figure out some things, but I honestly want to know the real deal. So May the 1st was my first day of the keto restart, and I tracked my weight at 197. 197.4 was my weight on May 1st. And I'm just going to do this kind of how Tangi from Freedom Homestead does hers. She says what's gone good in her week, what is her weight, and then how she going to move forward. So this week we have, even with me being on the road some, and it's Teacher Appreciation Week, you guys. So you know that it is snacks. I mean, I went into the workroom today at one of my schools. It was bagels and cream cheese. The only thing I could have was the cream cheese. So I just took a coffee to go. So I have held strong, and then we had something called the trolley stop, which is a hot dog little vendor. The PTA did the hot dogs for lunch. I had one hot dog, yellow mustard, mayonnaise, and cheese. No bun, no chili, because he couldn't tell me if there was sweetener in it or not. And then I just ate what I took for lunch, which was some broccoli and cauliflower and just a few little pieces of the HelloFresh steak that we had from last night, so leftovers. Tuesday, I actually picked up my mom. So I took a few snacks with me in the morning because I had to be out very early before 7:30. We actually got home right at 1 o'clock, and so I didn't eat between 7:30 and 1. I did pretty okay. I was kind of hungry by the time I got home, but I still don't think I ate until about 3 o'clock by the time it took me to get her settled, get lunch made, and it all worked out very well. Let me see. Yesterday was a normal day. They did not have lunch. Well, they did. They had sandwiches in the conference room. I did not have a sandwich. I just brought my lunch from home and ate that. No clue what tomorrow's going to, and I'm at 2 schools this week. So I'm at my small school, and then I'm at my middle school and my largest school. I don't go to my very small school until the last week of school because EOGs are getting ready to happen within the next 2 weeks. So EOGs, and so people are cramming to get all their stuff in. I'm cramming to get all my stuff in. But that is fine. So again, I've been holding my own, haven't been eating anything that is not on my diet plan. I have been watching my portion sizes. So this week for me was really about watching my portion sizes and not overeating, not under eating, and actually trying to get in all of my fat content. So I've tried very hard to get in my fat to make sure that I am actually staying in ketosis or my body is going there. Now, I have not done like ketones or anything like that to check, but I can always tell when I get keto breath. And y'all, that keto breath was real this week. So I try to maintain staying in ketosis as much as I can, so my body is actually burning fat and not I'm trying not to be low carb where I'm getting more proteins. And I think that was one of the biggest issues that I was having before, because my weight loss was very slow, but I think I was getting a lot of protein in and my fat content was very, well, it was up there, but it wasn't like I should have like 108 grams of fat per day. And that is challenging for me because I think that's a lot, but it is the lifestyle and it's good fats, it's healthy fats, so I'm okay. One thing I did notice, and this happened in Carb Manager, when I went into Carb Manager so that I could track my meals, I had my macros changed because my weight had changed. So when I put in my new weight, I noticed that my macros had gone down. And I actually did that on ketokarma.com, looking at her macros calculator, but they were still different than when I first originally started keto. So I am still looking to stay within my macros for each day, definitely concentrating on my fat content. So I weighed this morning, and what did the scale say? So this morning, well, I weighed yesterday morning and I was down, but Wednesday is now going to be my new weigh-in day because May 1st is on a Wednesday. So my weight this morning was 196.4. So I was actually down 1 pound, and I'm okay with that. I will take it. I started my keto journey 9 months ago at 207, and I'm a very slow weight loss person. It doesn't matter. I lose inches, no problem. Weight, and I have not strayed off of the journey. Even when I was on the cruise, I ate keto. And I just picked the things I could have, and if I couldn't have it, and if there was no option, I didn't have anything. I had lots of coffee, black, lots of coffee. I actually got really sick one day on the cruise. It was really, really bad. I think I'd eaten a bad hot dog from like the grill. I don't think they grilled it enough or something. But it was horrible. I was sick for probably a good 5-6 hours, just really bad sick. So anywho, currently I'm in a size large to medium to large, just depending on what piece and how it's made. And what do I plan to do moving forward? Moving forward, I plan to continue to track, specifically on weekends because I'm home and I can track. I do plan to watch my portion sizes. The one thing that I did appreciate about HelloFresh, when you get HelloFresh, you're like, there is not enough food here for me to eat. But in all honesty, they measure out for exact portion sizes. And what it helped me understand is, Shakima, you eat too much. I eat too much thinking that I need that large of a portion. But that is not actually the case. If I actually ate my right portion sizes, I would probably lose weight faster. So we don't plan to do HelloFresh again in the near future. But for me, that was a takeaway. And it was like, oh my, because how am I supposed to feed three people on this little bit? It spread, it went around, and everybody ate all they needed to eat. So it can be done. Portion sizes is one of the things. The next thing I plan to do is make a plan for my week. So I did my grocery haul. I have meals planned, but I didn't write them down. So I'm going to write my meals down, at least my meal ideas. I may not keep them on certain days because different things happen. And now, having to do things for my mom, sometimes I have time to cook, sometimes I don't have time to cook. So I'm going to try to at least know the meals that I'm planning ahead of time. And then I plan to meal prep. My weekends are always saved for meal prepping Monday nights, I can do some meal prepping because we're not having company over anymore on Monday nights. She's actually coming on Sunday evenings because that's just easier. I don't have anything else to do on Sundays except church. Monday nights, I have my ladies meeting, and so sometimes we were running into, you know, I was scrambling trying to get prepared for the meeting. So Sunday, meal prep, and then I can do some meal prep on Mondays. I do plan to still keep doing my What's for Dinner videos and watching other people's What's for Dinners that are doing keto, so I'll know what I can and can't have, or what might be good and what might not be good. So that is my plan moving forward. I am really excited about my body for the first time in many, many years. I am not beach body ready, but if I wanted to go to the beach, I think I would feel okay about it. So anywho, started at 207. I am now at 196.4 and just pressing towards bigger and better. You know, this summer is going to be good for us. We're almost out of school, and so I'll be able to do all of my meals or do some intermittent fasting if I need to. I'm almost deciding to do intermittent fasting on Tuesdays because I eat really late on Tuesdays, and then I weigh on Wednesday morning. So I'm thinking that I might have to do my window of eating between 7 and about 5 and then don't eat again until 7 and that's because we don't usually get home until about 9:15, 9:30 on Tuesday nights, and I usually cook a dinner. And even if I pack something, you know, I'm still eating later and later and later. So that's what I'm thinking about. Haven't decided that just yet, because when summer comes, my schedule will be a little bit different. So anywho, just wanted to update you guys and let you know how keto was going. I'm excited about this journey. It has not been difficult for me. If you haven't found a great cookbook in your Southerns, I recommend Southern Keto Cookbook. I'm going to be looking for some others over the summer. I don't mind just going online and finding a quick recipe. That doesn't bother me whatsoever. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you're doing keto, let me know how your journey's going down below. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.